Don't you ever feel like mosquitoes bite you more than they bite other people around you? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain why this happens. First, we need to keep in mind that mosquitoes don't bite just anyone. Mosquitoes choose who they're going to bite. And some scientific studies have shown that there are certain characteristics that attract mosquitoes much more. Number 1, the smell. Our skin gives off a peculiar odor, and each person has a characteristic scent. On our skin, there are millions of dead cells and microorganisms that live on our skin. There are even bacteria that live on our skin that are imperceptible to humans. And according to some studies, the greater the number of bacteria on our skin, the more attractive we are to mosquitoes. Number 2, your blood type. Type O is much more attractive to mosquitoes. They don't have much affinity for other blood types. This was confirmed in a study conducted in 2019 in a laboratory. Samples of different blood types were placed, and swarms of mosquitoes were introduced. The mosquitoes were much more attracted to type O blood and didn't have much affinity for type A. They didn't like it very much? Number 3, the heat your body emits attracts them much more. The more heat your body produces, the more attractive you'll be to mosquitoes. Let me give you an example. When you see a lamp and you notice mosquitoes approaching, they obviously go toward the light. The same thing happens with your body. The more heat you produce, the more attractive you'll be to mosquitoes. Number 4, if you do exercise like aerobics, weightlifting, and so on, well, let me tell you, you're the perfect feast for mosquitoes. And this happens because when we exercise, our body produces lactic acid. Lactic acid comes from the use of glucose by the muscle cells. So the more you exercise or the more weight you lift, the more lactic acid you will produce. Which, this is a feast for mosquitoes, since it has been scientifically proven that this attracts mosquitoes a lot. Number 5, carbon dioxide attracts mosquitoes a lot. If you have a faster metabolism than other people, then obviously you will produce more carbon dioxide. If you have a higher body mass, exercise, and sweat more, then obviously you will produce more carbon dioxide too, since your body needs to burn more calories and make much more effort. So are you the perfect feast? Number 6. Do you want to know if you're pregnant? Well, it's very simple. Well, the way to know is to see if mosquitoes prefer you more than other people. A study found that pregnant women are the perfect menu for mosquitoes. And this is because pregnant women obviously emit more carbon dioxide and obviously have a higher body mass. And the body temperature of pregnant women also increases. Which, well, is definitely something very, very attractive to mosquitoes. And number 7, and no less important, are you one of those people who likes to drink alcohol? Well, let me tell you that mosquitoes will love you much, much more, since mosquitoes are attracted to people who consume alcohol. And with this, I don't mean that mosquitoes like to drink, not at all, no. What happens is that when a person consumes alcohol, their body temperature rises, which obviously generates heat and makes them sweat more. And obviously this is like a light for mosquitoes, which will attract them to you much more. If you enjoyed this content, please share it. This is Dr. David signing off.